In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move date headers to the top of a column in Tableau. Whether you're new to Tableau or looking to enhance your dashboard presentations, this tutorial will guide you through each step with clarity and ease, helping you achieve a polished look for your reports. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening the Tableau public app on your computer. If it's your first time or you're a bit unfamiliar, simply head over to the official Tableau website and you'll find options to download or open the app if you've already installed it. Once you're in, go ahead and access your worksheet. You'll likely be greeted by a blank canvas or possibly a pre-existing project, depending on how you've set up your workspace. Now locate the order date field in your data pane on the left side of the screen. Drag the order date field to the column shelf at the top of the workspace. This will start constructing the backbone of your visual. Next, find the sales field and drag it to the rows shelf. This action plots your data, creating a basic chart visualization. Once you have these elements in place, click on Year next to your order date pill in the column shelf. A drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to change the granularity of your data display. Choose Month instead of Year to give your data a finer level of detail. Now you'll want to duplicate the order date field. To do this, simply right-click on the order date pill in the column shelf and select Duplicate. Drag this duplicated field to the column shelf, placing it in front of the existing order date entry. Once there, ensure this too is set to month for uniformity. Then select Year from your original order date field in the column shelf and go to the drop-down menu to click Dual Axis. This will plot your data with two axes, making it easier to differentiate between data sets. For improved clarity, overcome any clutter by dragging the legend to a position right below the marks card. This provides a cleaner, more streamlined view. Now, navigate to the bottom axis, right-click, and select Edit Axis. In the dialog that appears, remove the title and set tick marks to None. This will get rid of unnecessary labels and ensure your headers move to the top. After making those changes, click Apply and then OK to finalize this edit. But we're not quite done yet. Right-click on the axis once more and select Format. Within the Format pane, head over to Borders where you'll find options for column divider. Adjust the settings here and set the header to None. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully moved the date headers to the top of a column in Tableau, enhancing both the readability and aesthetics of your dashboard. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to leave a comment or question if you have more to explore or need further clarification. Happy Tableau crafting!